The XLR8 control panel features 6 buttons: power on and off, preset temps, timer, arrow up or down, asterisk key. To power the XLR8 arm, simply depress the power key. The unit will now flash the current set point temperature. To turn off, simply press the power button. Your XLR8 comes pre-programmed with 3 presets: 350 degrees, 375 degrees, and 400 degrees. To change the factory default preset temperatures, press the temperature key until the preset temperature you would like to change is highlighted. Press and hold the up arrow key until the 3 LED lights start blinking. Now change the temperature to the desired setting using the up and down arrow keys. To store this temperature as a preset, press and hold the asterisk key. Your XLR8 arm will now turn off as it saves your new preset temperature. You can control the temperature from 200 degrees to 440 degrees. Your XLR8 arm is equipped with an automatic timer. When the upper platen is lowered onto the griddle surface, the timer will start. Once the timing sequence is ended, you will hear a series of beeps letting you know the time cycle is complete. Simply lift the upper platen into the upright position to reset the timer. If you prefer not to use the timer or to use it only in manual mode, please see your owner's manual for full details. To change the timer default value, you will need to enter the manager mode. To enter the manager mode, turn the XLR8 arm off, then press and hold the arrow down key and the asterisk key simultaneously for 5 seconds. You are now in manager mode. Now you will have a few options to choose from. Use the timer reset key to scroll through selections until you see the timer default parameter. Press arrow up to show the current timer value. Now use the timer reset button to increase the time value and the asterisk key to decrease. Once that perfect time is set, simply press and hold the preset temp key to save the value. The unit will now cycle off as it saves this value. Once you power the XLR8 upper heated platen on again, this will now be your default timer setting. Once the temperature and timer values are set, you have an option to lock the controls so that a cook cannot change any of the presets. To lock the controls, turn the XLR8 arm off. Press and hold the up arrow key and the timer reset key simultaneously. You will see the display say lock. To unlock, simply repeat the process. The Teflon is easy to install on your XLR8 upper heated platen. Simply remove the magnet grips, raise the upper platen to lay the pre-cut Teflon sheet black side down on the cool griddle. Lower the arm and wrap one side of the Teflon around the platen, ensuring the Teflon lines up in the front corners. Install one of the magnet grips in the middle of the sheet. Pull tight on the other side and install the other magnet grip. The XLR8 arm has gap adjustment every 1/32 of an inch. This gives you the control needed to adjust to any product up to 2 inches thick. To adjust the gap, remove the adjustment arm in front of the upper heated platen. Raise the arm and place the desired product in the middle of the platen coverage area. With the griddle and arm on and preheated, lower the arm until you hear a sizzle from the product. This means you are applying slight pressure on top of the product. At this point, install the adjustment arm onto the mounting plate. Place the lock bolt into the hole that lines up with the mounting plate and tighten. What are good starting points for the upper heated platen for time and temperature? For temperature, start with 330 degrees for the lower surface. The upper platen surface should be approximately 40 to 50 degrees higher than the lower griddle surface. This is a good starting point and can be adjusted to achieve the proper caramelization you desire by raising or lowering the upper and lower temperatures. A good place to start when adjusting time is take your current cook time and cut it in half. If you are currently cooking an 8-ounce burger in 8 minutes on your flat top griddle with no arm, start by using 4 minutes and adjust from there to desired doneness. Once you have your time and temperature set for the perfect product, simply program these into the controller. When cooking with the accelerated upper heated platen, there are 3 things to consider: time, temperature, and compression. Adding more compression or pressure to the top of the product will result in faster cook times. However, this may also result in a more dried product. Trial and error is the best method for getting your time, temperature, and compression correct. Shoot for perfection. You can achieve it with the XLR8 upper heated platen. Once you are done cooking for the day, your XLR8 arm is easy to clean. Before cleaning the XLR8, turn off and let cool. To clean the stainless steel XLR8 arm, once cooled, clean using a mild soap and water solution and a towel. Rinse when done with clean water and allow to dry overnight. A non-metallic cleaning pad can be used to remove large debris or built-up areas. Do not power spray the griddle or the XLR8 upper heated platen. Once you are done cleaning and the XLR8 arm is dry, ensure you lay the Teflon back on the griddle or go ahead and install it for the next use. Your upper heated platen is now ready to go for the next shift. For more hints and tips, give us a call at 1-800-210-5907 or email us at chefs@accutemp.net.